Good morning, student. Today we start a new chapter, operation in rational number. Okay, chapter number 3. The first topic is adding rational number with same denominator. It is same as fraction, whatever we studied earlier in earlier classes. 8 by 9, a by b plus c by b. Here LCM is same, so we write simple b for the denominator, and we whatever the numerator we add them. Okay, so like this we go here, and when the second condition is when adding the rational number with different denominator, then what we do, first of all we have to take the LCM of denominator, then express each rational number with the LCM as a common denominator. Okay, and then add the rational number. So here we go. So we start exercise 3.1. Okay, so when we start 3.1, so one thing we have to keep in mind, how to add and subtract. I think you have studied this thing in fraction also in this in your junior classes. So you look, first we go with question number 1. So question number 1 is uh, minus 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7. Okay, so here 7 they are the like fraction, why, because the denominator is same. So we take 7 as a denominator here, minus 2 plus 5, plus minus minus, and the greater sign is of the bigger number, that is 5. 5 minus 3 by 7. Second question, by that I solve it from 4 number, minus 6 by 13 plus 5 by minus 13. First of all, you write this number as a in a standard form. I think you studied this thing in rational number. First of all, this is not in standard form, so when it becomes standard form, when this minus goes to numerator. Okay, so what we do here, minus 6 by 13 plus, then minus again 5 by 13. Why I give the bracket, because it is here plus sign. Okay, so here I write minus 6 plus minus 5 by 13, minus 6 minus plus minus minus. Okay, here plus minus, this plus minus become minus, and 5 again 5. So minus minus plus, same sign. I think the rule is there also. When we have the same sign, we have to add and give that sign. So in this case also they have same sign, we have to add and give that sign, that is minus 6 plus 5 11, and minus sign by 13. Now 10 number. In 10 number you can see the numerator are different. So first of all, and this is also not in standard form. First of all, I make them in standard form, then I write like this, and what is the LCM of this 4 and 8. When you see when you have to find the LCM, and 1 is the multiple of others, so 8 is the multiple of 4, so you are directly write 8. Okay, this is a shortcut form. So you directly write 8, you can no need to find the LCM, and if you want to find LCM, you are not understanding how it is 8, then you can go ahead, okay, like that, by that method also. So how you find LCM here, 4 and 8, suppose which number will divide both of them by 4, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, when you divide to get 8 also. Okay, so 8, 4 2 the 8, so here also I write multiplied by 2, it gets minus 58 minus 15, we get minus 73 by 8. So you don't need to change this one in mixed fraction. Why? Because minus 73 is less than 8. Okay, not bigger than 8. Okay, so no need to change in mixed fraction. So we go ahead with this, and now 2 number. Here also we have to add more than 2 rational number. So here I took 2 examples. First of all, the lakh fraction. So lakh rational number, this is same rational number, same denominator. So here 777, 17 we get here, minus 9 plus 3 plus minus 6, minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 we get, and when we add it, why we add minus 9 minus 6, it is minus 15 plus 3, that is 7, minus 12 by 7. So number 2, so second example question is number 1. In number 1, the denominator are different. Okay, so here denominator is nothing, that means 1. If you don't understand, I write one more line here, minus 2 by 1 plus 3 by 8 plus minus 1 by 5. Why it is 1? Because when numerator is nothing, it is 1. Okay, understood. We have to understand this one. So we have to take the LCM of this all 1, 8 and 5. So when you take the LCM, there is no number which is multiple of them. Okay, we can divide both of them. So what we do, we simply multiply them, that is 40. So you can go directly also, because you can see here they are not a multiple of each one, anyone. So we multiply all of these two. It is 40. So in the case of here 1, so we have to multiply, we have to make 1 as a 40, to multiply 1 by 40, and when we multiply it, we have to multiply by minus 2 also. So minus 2 into 40, that is minus 80 plus 15. Okay, why 15? Because 8 5 is 40, 3 5 is 15. 5 to the 5 8 is 40, so minus 1 8 is minus 8. Okay, so like this we go, and we get here minus. Why minus? Because plus minus minus. Okay, so can it is plus minus minus. Okay, and it is plus 10, it is minus 10. Okay, so no, first of all we add this minus minus, that is minus 88 plus 15, and when you subtract this 2, again you get minus 73 by 40. So this is our final answer. Okay, and there are two what problems you have to do by yourself. It is the homework, and I explain how to do. Okay, so in what problem, the three notebooks have thickness this much, and this much respectively. Find a total thickness if they are piled one on top of each other. Okay, suppose there are three books, we keep the books one after one. Okay, then we have to find the thickness of the book. Suppose this is the one book. Okay, again after that I keep one book, and again after that I keep one more book. So we have to find this thickness. So what we do, we have to add them. So here you have to add all of this number. Okay, to find the perimeter of the irregular shape with the four sides measuring this much, and this much. Okay, so we have to find perimeter, that means boundary. Suppose irregular surface is there. Like this it is going. Okay, there are four faces, and this fourth side we have to find the perimeter, that means the boundary of this. Okay, so we have to add all this number. Okay, and then we find the perimeter of that, the irregular shape. So in next class we start subtraction of a rational number and exercise 3.2 also. That's all for today. Thank you.